Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to guide you through the easy steps to buy and sell VNDA stablecoins. Let's dive right in. First up, head over to the VNDA website. You can choose from localvn.com, vnda.cc, or vxcoin.cc. Once you're there, sign up for an account if you're new, or simply log in. Now, on the main page, look for Trade with Local VND. Select your desired stablecoin like USDT or VNDA. You'll see the current selling and buying prices right there. Ready to make a move? Click Buy Now if you're buying or Sell Now if you're selling. For buying, enter the amount in Vietnamese dong, VND, and it will show you the equivalent in VNDA. Next, you'll need to enter the transaction details. Specify the from currency as Vietnamese dong and the to currency as VNDA coin. Input the amount you want to trade and double-check the exchange rate and fees. On to payment info, select your wallet network like TronLink. Enter your wallet address and your email for receipt confirmation. Click Continue to move on. Now here's the important part. Review your payment details. Make sure everything looks good, from the payable amount to your wallet address and email. Once you're sure, hit Confirm. To complete the transaction, transfer the payment using the provided account details. You can use QR Pay or bank transfer. After you've made the payment, enter the transaction ID and client transaction number. Upload a screenshot of your receipt and click I paid. And that's it. Simple, right? Now you know how to buy and sell VNDA stablecoins effortlessly. Don't forget to double-check all details before confirming any transactions to ensure a smooth experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.